Today we're getting back to basics with this crochet basket weave dishcloth pattern. For this beginner-friendly pattern, it's helpful to know the double crochet stitch, and I'll show you how to work around the front post and back post to create this super textured fabric. For this pattern I'm using Red Heart Scrubby Smoothie, which is a beautifully soft, basic worsted weight cotton yarn. I also used a 6mm hook, which is a little larger than the yarn calls for, specifically to create a piece with an open weave that will help the dishcloth dry more quickly when you actually use it. To begin, we'll make a slip knot and chain 28. If you're altering this basket weave pattern for this or other projects, you'll need a chain that is a multiple of 6 plus 4. And once you've got all your chains, we'll skip the first 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain. Then continue making 1 double crochet in each chain of the foundation chain. For row 2, you'll chain up 2 and turn your work. This turning chain counts as a stitch, so we'll work our first front post double crochet around the next stitch. Insert your hook front to back around the post to make it pop out. Then yarn over and pull up a loop behind that post. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete a front post double crochet. Again, front to back around the back of the post to complete a double crochet. Then make 1 more front post double crochet. Around the next 3 stitches, we'll work back post double crochets. So insert your hook back to front this time, and weave it around the post to make it recess to the back. Yarn over to pull up a loop in front of that post, and yarn over, pull through 2 times to complete a back post double crochet. Then make 2 more back post double crochets. This is the repeat to the end of the row. 3 front post double crochets and 3 back post double crochets. And once you've completed your last back post double crochet, you'll see your turning chain. Make 1 regular double crochet into the top of that turning chain to complete the row. For row 3, repeat row 2. Chain 2 and turn, 3 front post double crochets, 3 back post double crochets to the end of the row. And 1 double crochet in the top of the turning chain, which can be a little hard to see here, but here he is. And that completes your first set of basket weave blocks. You can easily count your rows by checking for 2 of these horizontal ribs. For the next row of blocks, we'll just do the opposite. Chain up 2 and begin with back post double crochets by inserting your hook back to front to wrap around the post. And you know what to do. Yarn over, pull through 2 times 2. And repeat 3 back post double crochets, 3 front post double crochets to the end of the row. And since this row ends with a front post double crochet, the turning chain is really hidden. But just know he's there, so you don't forget about the last double crochet into that turning chain. Then for row 5, repeat row 4, with 3 back post double crochets, followed by 3 front post double crochets. Repeat rows 2 through 5 for a total of 16 rows for the approximately 8" by 8" potholder / dishcloth you see here, or continue for as many rows as you'd like. I've repeated rows 2 through 5 a few more times so you can see what it looks like once you've got a few repeats going. And I'm going to back off on the narrating to show the visual learners among us the front post and back post double crochets again. I hope you enjoy this simple basket weave dishcloth pattern. It's a great stash buster and a really quick gift that's just as practical as it is cute. Link to the downloadable pattern is in the description box. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!